In this example, we're looking at a regular polygon. In this case, it's an octagon. So what it's asking us to really find out here is the value of each angle in a regular octagon. What makes the octagon regular? All the sides have the same measure, so the sides are congruent or they're equal in size, and the angles are also congruent or equal in size. So what we're going to do here is find out in order to find out the value of each angle, we need to find out the sum of all the interior angles. Okay, so to do that, we're going to remember that the sum of interior angles is going to be the number of sides of the polygon minus 2, and then that is the number of triangles inside the polygon, so we multiply that by 180. So the sum of interior angles here is going to be, sum of interior is going to be 8. An octagon has 8 sides, 8 minus 2, and we multiply that by 180 degrees. So this is going to be 6 multiplied by 180 degrees, which is going to give us 1080 degrees. Now we want to find out the value of each angle in the regular octagon. So the regular octagon has 8 sides, so each angle is going to be 1080 degrees divided by 8. So that is going to give us 135 degrees. So therefore, for a regular octagon, each interior angle is going to be 135 degrees.